Hi everyone, happy Saturday. So, okay, I've been really busy today. I got up at 9:30. I did my Poke for Fitness. Oh, by the way, if you don't know what that is, both Steve, who is Madman World, and I are doing Poke for Fitness. So if you go to our Facebook pages and poke us over there, then we will do 10 push-ups per poke. Only one per poke per person, because I would sit there and just poke Steve forever, and then of course he would do the same to me. So with that, we do 10 push-ups per poke, and immediately I announced it, and I immediately got 4 pokes, so I had to do 40 push-ups, which about killed my shoulder, because I'm not used to that much stuff on my shoulder. If you don't have a Facebook page, or if you don't know where to contact us, I'm going to put my Facebook page down below in the comments section. If you don't have a Facebook page, just poke me down there. That really sounded wrong. I didn't mean it. I promise. Anyways, I did my pokes. I did my burpees. I did 30 burpees today, which I know it's only the 29th, but I kind of squampused it. I still have to do my 25 for the NGU challenge, which I have filmed that. I will actually just post that tomorrow. And then I got on the bike and I rode for 12 miles. And then I got a phone call, so I had to do a bunch of stuff. So did I say them all? Burpees, pokes, bike. Yes, good. Okay, it's about 12:30. I gotta go get ready for work. You guys have an amazing day, and no, I haven't eaten today, and I'm gonna get yelled at for that. Okay, shut off. Story of my life. Bye.